Hello, I'm Nadia. I'm with the spacecraft team here at GLE, and I'm going to be going over a quick summary of the Activity 2 seismometer. So in this activity, you're going to use the accelerometer as if it was a seismometer to analyze how the Lunasat reacts to different items being dropped near it and what sort of acceleration it will read from that impact. Do be careful not to drop anything on the Lunasat though. So our goal for this activity is for teams to be able to read data from nearby impacts of varying magnitude. The purpose of this is to analyze how the Lunasat will be able to detect moonquakes nearby, since the moon is seismically active. Just a quick summary of the materials you're going to need. You're going to need a Lunasat, a computer that has Arduino IDE, and then the FTDI, and then those associated cables. You're also going to need a flat surface, paper clip, and a marble, and then the Activity 5.2 worksheet that you can follow along with. And then as for the code, you're just going to need Arduino Sketch, the accelerometer basic example code, which you can find under GLE 2023 module sketches file. So once you pull up the code, you can open up the serial plotter under the tools section on Arduino, and then this will allow you to analyze the accelerometer's response. However, do remember to verify and upload the code to your Lunasat before you start the experiment. So once you start the experiment, you can gather your materials that you're going to need, which is the paper clip, the marble, and then you're going to need an object that's heavier, so roughly golf ball sized. You can use your fist for this. So go ahead and place the Lunasat on the table, and then the first thing you want to test is dropping the paper clip next to the Lunasat. And then record the maximum acceleration on any axis around the time that it was dropped. And then do the same thing with the marble, but try to drop it at the same height that you did the paperclip. And then finally, you could drop the heavier object. Again, you can use something like a golf ball, or you can use your fist and just hit it on the table next to the Lunasat. And then record, again, the maximum acceleration for each of these objects. And then this should tell you how the Lunasat reacts to different items dropping next to it. That's it.
Yep, that's good.